Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is one of my favorite days. This is the day my Stitch Fix box arrived, and a lot of you YouTubers, you guys are in big trouble because I had scheduled my Stitch Fix to only come once a quarter, but I've been watching everyone's videos and they're getting the best items, so I changed my subscription to once every month. So I'm back to a monthly Stitch Fix, so let's not wait any further. Let's check it out and see what's inside. So here is my style card and my invoice, but I'm going to wait to open this at the end so I can enjoy all the pieces without seeing the prices. Here is my bundle. Here it is. We will start with this first item. So Fortune and Ivy blouse with some detail on the sleeve. Next is another Fortune and Ivy blouse. This time, this one has the detail right here, some buttons. I don't know if you can see that. I love a good black blouse. I'm actually super excited about this one. Next is another blouse. This one is from 41 Hawthorne. Ooh, next we have from John Paul Richard. I'm not familiar with that brand. And this is a crochet detail top. I don't know if you can see in the video here, the detail in the back. So that's really pretty. And there's some detail in the front as well. The sleeves are really cute. And finally, we have a pair of jeans. These are from Democracy. And I believe I have some very similar to this. So unless these really are life-changing, I'm probably going to send these back. I do think I have about 3 pairs of Democracy jeans from Stitch Fix. So maybe they keep sending them because I keep keeping them. But I don't know. I'm going to try these on. We'll see how they work and see if I'll add them to my jeans collection. So I'm gonna go try everything on and I will show you how it looks. So here we have outfit number 1. These are the Democracy skinny jeans and the Fortune and Ivy black shirt. It does have this detail here at the sleeve, and I actually like that. And it does have the button detail here at the top. So far, I really do love this outfit. I really don't need another pair of jeans. This is my style. Stitch Fix knows I'm just kind of plain and boring. I love a nice black shirt and a great pair of jeans. And as always, I like to show off my Rothy's. So there you have it, outfit number 1. Let me go try out some of the other tops. Next, we have the 41 Hawthorne polyester blouse. And I really thought when I pulled this one out of the box that I was not gonna like it at all. I don't really love the material, but I like the sleeves. I like where the sleeves are cut. And again, not my favorite pattern, but I kind of like this shirt. I don't know, I'm torn. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I'm assuming the price on this one's not gonna be super high. Again, I think it's 97% polyester, 3% spandex. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I am kind of torn on this one. Next, I have the John Paul Richard. This is the crochet detail. You see the crochet detail on the back top. And this is in burgundy. And I don't know, this is another one I'm torn on the fence. It does have details here on the sleeves and again on the back, but let me know what you think. My last item is the Fortune and Ivy dark green blouse, and I left this one untucked so you could see the length, but I think I like this blouse. I love the detail on the sleeve, and then it also has some detail buttons, and it's just a cute blouse. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but this is my last item, so let's go check out the prices. All right, I am back with the worst part, the price list. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we'll start with the shirt that I just tried on and I'm still wearing. This is the Fortune and Ivy. It's called the Colin Mixed Material Blouse. Color dark green, size medium, cost is $42. All right, next we have this John Paul Richard. This was the burgundy blouse. This is called the Raylin Crochet Detail Top, size medium, and this one is $44. The Democracy Jerry Skinny Jean in indigo, size 8, and these are the ones that I wore. I'm still wearing. I wore them with all of the try-ons. The cost on those are $78. Next, I have the 41 Hawthorne Moire blouse. This is a medium in burgundy, and the price of this one is $38. The last item is the Fortune & Ivy Dondria mixed material blouse. This is a size medium, and this is $42. And I'm definitely keeping this one. This was my favorite. And in fact, I wonder if I ask my stylist next month to send me all black tops. I wonder if they would do that. I love a great black top. You should see my closet. There's a whole section of just black tops. It's what I do. I love to wear just black all the time. It's just easy to throw it on. And so I'm definitely going to keep this one. I'm not quite sure about the rest. I am enjoying these jeans. They're very comfortable. I like the skinny jean because I have mainly boot cut. Other than that, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. Leave a comment below. Let me know what I should keep, what I should send back. I will tell you the total for all of the items was $244. The discount, if I keep everything, is $61. So that brings my total for all 5 items to $183. So I don't know, now some number crunching time. But help me out here. Let me know below what I should keep, what I should return. I do like the price points on this one. I have received some items just for the blouses were so cute but so expensive it just didn't make sense to keep them. So I love that she kept everything $38 to $44 in the tops. So that was great. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.